Hello children, let me just brief you what we have already seen in Unit 7 novel Daksha the Medicine Girl. What is a novel? A novel is a story that is long. It's not a short story, it is a long story arranged in the form of chapters. There are many chapters. Most novels have multiple characters and plots. Some popular novels for children are Treasure Island, R.L. Stevenson, Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling, Famous 5 and Secret 7 by Enid Blyton. Now, in chapter 1, what did we see? What was the story? The girl in the mountains. The girl was looking at the Panditji. Panditji is a Vaidya. He is going. She could see just a speck of the Vaidya. Speck means a dot. ஒரு dot மாதிரி அந்த வைத்தியர் போகிறது தெரியுது. வைத்தியர் is a doctor, Ayurvedic doctor. Okay. So Daksha is in a small village, hamlet. Okay. It is high up in the mountains, surrounded by mountains fully. Okay. And it is always snow clad. In winter months it is very difficult. So usually many people used to shift from the village and go to some other place in search of some job. But this time few people used to remain there. Every year Panditji used to be there and prepare medicines and everything. But this time Panditji has gone to his nephew's house. So the girl is staying there and she is looking at the people who are moving from the village. She is speaking to the lamb. Both of them are moving to Panditji's house. Panditji's house is a big one in the village, and during winter months Daksha's house is very small, so she used to move to Panditji's house. Panditji has given her the job to take care of the house, prepare medicines and keep ready everything. So Panditji's house was the biggest in the hamlet, as I said. And what was there? He had some goats, lambs, etc. Daksha also had some goats and lambs. Everything was kept safe. All the animals were kept safe in the house. And there was enough fodder in the house. There were some grains in the house. Everything was there for Daksha to survive. Every winter, more than half of the inhabitants left the village because life was difficult. They used to move for some other job, work as porters. And Daksha, what she did is she stood in the center of the room listening to the silence. What happened? 1 week ago, it was a busy place, this village, but now people are moving away. They could not withstand the snowfall. That is the second chapter 2. She had enough work of preparing the sieving of dry herbs, decoctions, everything she kept ready for fever, cold, everything was there. What is sieving? Separating solid from liquid or bigger solid. So that is what sieving is. So everything was ready. Daksha was preparing. Suddenly what happened? There is a flashback story here in chapter 3. 5 years ago, that is chapter 3. Landslides. Landslides means it is a disaster. Mountains, we have the landslide problem. Lands just slide away and houses, everything will be under the snow, ice. The flash floods swept away the village. Daksha lost her parents and brothers in the disaster. 7 years back, but like all the mountain people, she was a stranger. She was not a stranger to danger. Danger is not new to them. Okay, danger and calamity is a common thing in the village. Calamity is an event causing great damage to people's lives and property. So hamlet was a cluster of houses set close to one another, sometimes sharing a common wall. Okay, they were bound by close ties. They worked together and helped one another. Daksha missed her family, but she was not an orphan, because all the people in the village took care of her. So, after that Panditji left, it is almost 1 week Panditji has left the village. There had been a big snowfall. They were clearing the snow paths. 6 feet deep snow was there. Most of the people stayed indoors. Suddenly one afternoon, what happened? The villagers heard someone crying for help. 2 army men, almost frozen to death, staggered into the village. Staggered means they could not walk, they were unsteady. One of the villagers by the name Mahadev helped the men into the house. Some other men, what did they do? They rushed in with quilts. Quilt is a 2-layered warm covering for like a bed. It is made of cotton or other soft warm material. Okay. So what happened here in this story? Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. It is clear for you. In chapter 1 we saw that the girl is looking for the Panditji who is going away from the village, and chapter 2 the girl is taking care and preparing herbs and everything she has kept ready. And chapter 3 they told the flashback. 7 years ago there was a disaster and she lost all her parents, brothers, everyone, but she was not an orphan. Orphan means who don't have anybody. Not an orphan means the villagers were taking care of her. She did not feel she was an orphan. And suddenly what happened? There was a big snowfall and 2 army men, they were not able to walk. Something had happened to them. They were staggered, walk unsteadily. They are about to fall. They were brought to the house. Let's go to chapter 4. Thank you.